Good morning, everyone. My name is Dameon Julian, and today we're going to be discussing some things about Web 2.0 and the cool tools for school. Now, when you go to cool tools for school, it's going to give you a plethora of tools to utilize for various things, whether it's the drawing, art, if you want to do some writing or music, and for this example, a presentation. And there's more beyond that. It offers a wide range of platforms, so you could use Google Slides, SlideShare, Google Docs, and for this example, I'm going to be using Prezi, and that's just to name a few. Now again, here's Prezi. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the website. There's the link provided below. It's going to give you a whole list of things to do if you want to do charts, reports, posters, etc. If you want to do more with it, you can easily upgrade. It's about $3 a month or more. And once you get into it, it's really simple. You could either use it to upload your own photos, and they also have free ones. So let's really dive into it now. So I chose the simple title. And as you can see there, once you choose it, it's really easy. So to the right there, that's where you're going to put in your text. So I just typed in, this is where you would put your text. If you look right below that, you could add your own images. And in this case, I added a picture of where I work at East High School. And again, you can upload videos, icons, and again, a whole bunch of things that are at your disposal. And once you get started, you can edit, trim, add, or delete. And if you really get frustrated, just start all over, and it'll give you all the different options. Now, the one thing that it does is it does give you instructional videos, so you're never lost. Once you go into a new link or a new section, it'll say, do you want to watch this video? And it'll tell you things about lighting, background, making sure maybe you try it a couple more times. And once you do that, now you're ready to record once you get all your slides. And if you look over to the right, that's where you'll have all your slides. Now, I went ahead and made my own video. And just playing around with it, you got to test it out, right? So I made a video of my high school and the history behind it. And basically, once you get ready, once you put all your slides together and you add all your text, it'll say, make your video. You simply click on it. It gives you a countdown. And then you just make sure that you just, maybe have like an outline or something to follow, kind of like what I'm doing here. And be patient with yourself. Sometimes you might mess up, so you might have to try it a couple times, but there's nothing wrong with that. But if you are interested, feel free to go visit my my video that I made there. It's pretty fun. So if you do want to look at the video, please feel free to do so. I would try to watch the video for you, but because I'm using two different platforms, it tends to interfere, so you can't really hear it. I've already tried it. So I just want to thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for watching. And again, my name is Dameon Julian. Have a great day.